Everybody, welcome back to the channel and happy Mask Monday at Ladies and Friends Collaboration Day. Happy Monday, everybody. Yeah, I still sound terrible. I believe I have gone straight from having a massive head cold, full blown into allergy season. I have determined that in the last 5-6 years, probably 6 years, I have developed a pretty good hay fever allergy to grass. It's spring in Wisconsin. The grass is going crazy and blooming right now. And I mowed yesterday and listen to me. I sound terrible. Sorry, guys. The computer is updating. It's going to do its thing behind, so just ignore it. But yeah, I sound awful and I itchy eyes. I'm plugged up. I mowed the grass yesterday. Did not wear a mask and realized as I was mowing that was going to be a big mistake. And yeah, I sound wonderful. Sorry. So I apologize. Let's get into the masking. We've got this Skin 2.0 hyaluronic and collagen mask, and I'm here for this. Megan and I went and filmed a whole lot of Barn Besties videos today. Today's Sunday when I'm filming this. Sunday is our Barn Besties day. So I'm actually still kind of hoarse because I sounded like this all day and we've been talking on film all day. So been out in the wonderful grass and I was birding this weekend. So yeah, all kinds going on. This did just come out of the refrigerator. It's very cold. I decided not to pull any under eye masks out. I honestly just wasn't feeling it, didn't feel the urge to do it, didn't want to do it, feeling kind of grumpy, a little tired, but let's get into this. Very cold mask. I'm obviously a little stuffy and swollen, so I do love pulling these out of the refrigerator. It just feels good, even though it's a little bit of a shock for how cold it is. It does feel really nice. And this has got that hyaluronic acid in it. You know, and topical collagen, y'all, honestly, it's not going to do much for you, but that's okay. I like the hyaluronic acid. Let's get this on. And then, y'all, I have my month scent box that we're going to quick open. And honestly, I don't remember what I got. I'm looking forward to it. I've been really good about wearing scents lately, fragrances in the morning. So yeah, I'm going through finally using up some of my older scents. So here we go. This is what you get. Let's go ahead and get into it. Get it open. It comes with so much stuff in here now. Okay. So let's go through the garbage. Let's show you guys the garbage that is in here. Ooh, gonna need the glasses because can't see. Let's get those on. Okay. Readers, if you guys want to know, I have these linked. I will make sure they're linked in my Amazon cart or my Amazon shop. Okay, what do we got here? Nifty. So Nifty, you can use this as a $30 gift card to try new restaurants, music, jewelry, home goods, snacks, and more from thousands of participating brands. Good for 30 days. I'm not going to use it. I'm not really looking to be spending a lot of money on whatevers. We got HelloFresh, 10 free meals. There's a code on the bottom if you want that HelloFresh. I'm sure anybody can use it. What do we got here? What is this? DoorDash, 40% off up to $10 on your first order of $15 or more. There's a code on the back, so I'll show you that. What do we got here? There's more. There's more. Okay. Stitch Fix. Now, I know some people were getting into Stitch Fix. It's just an advertise. Oh, there's a code. Okay, so here's the front. The back says, style made easy, 25% your first order. There's a code. If you guys want it, here you go. Okay, this is going to tell me what my fragrance of the month is, so we'll have that in case I can't read it. But here's the scent box. My atomizer with my 30 days of fragrance. Nothing smells like it leaked out. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh gosh, I like it. It's a really pretty pink. There we go. That's my atomizer. Turn it, pops up. We're going to pull it out. Make sure it's full. And we're going to double check that it's secured. There it is. Put it back in, turn it back down. What did we get? Oh, l'interdit. How did they say this? L'interdit eau de parfum by Givenchy. It is a good one. I really actually been wearing this a little bit lately. It's a nice one. As you guys know, if you've been watching all my videos, a SCENTBOX, I always get something that has a touch of the jasmine fragrance in it, because that is my favorite, and I don't really find too many fragrances that have jasmine in that I don't like. So this one's a good one. It's the Givenchy l'interdit. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. I think I have fragrance on, but let me go ahead and pop it back out and give it a little spritzy. I'm trying to remember what one I put on this morning. I don't remember what it was. I've got like 3 I'm kind of rotating and using right now. Oh. Those first strong notes of jasmine are so good. If you love jasmine, this one's lovely. Lovely, lovely. It's a very strong smell, but it will fade. It just smells so good. I love it. I think this is a really nice one for like spring, fall, winter. I'm curious to see if I like this as much in summer. You know, your fragrance choices throughout the seasons will change, and that makes sense. You don't want a really heavy, like, you know, fragrance on you in the summer. You're thinking something more lighter and airier, right? So, like that a lot. Yeah, okay, that's done. Yeah, so we've been making a ton of Barn Besties videos. I think today we had a barn tour, and we probably made 10 or 15 videos there. And then we had a gal come to Megan's barn, and we did an interview with her there. We did a brand, what do you call it, a product review video today, and we did an unboxing video today. None of these are ready yet on the website. I still have a ton of work to do, or not the website, but on our YouTube channel. But we have so many videos. I think we have enough videos as of right now, the end of April, to schedule us into probably well into December, if not January. So we're going to be changing up kind of how we release videos on YouTube on the channel, which is Barnyard Besties WI for Wisconsin. When we do these barn tours and we get a series of videos, instead of our current publishing schedule is Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. I think when we do these barn tours and we get a series of like 10, 8, 12 videos, we're going to just go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, until we're through them, instead of having it take like a greater part of an entire month to get through one barn. Because we can't have like a year's worth of videos. We're getting so many videos that we're so far behind on publishing now that we can't keep doing that. And I'm working, I got this, that's Megan's, and it's got all her videos from California that I'm still working on, and those need to go out. So yeah, we're going to be scheduling a lot of videos. So I got that going on, but yep, having a good time. Still trying to get the farm sold and get moved. Work's going great. I hope you guys are doing really well. I would say that with everything going on, with trying to get the farm sold, the new job, us working so hard on Barn Besties, I agree that this, I'm sorry, you guys, like this channel has really suffered. With the whole moving thing that I'm trying to deal with, I just don't want a lot of subscriptions coming my way. I love my Walmart. That's quarterly. Love that. Macy's, haven't gotten that recently. Kind of wondering what's going on there. Didn't change out like credit card or anything, so kind of wondering why that hasn't shown up. Maybe they ended it and I didn't know it. But I'm kind of sad because I do enjoy that. Yeah, I mean, there's not a lot to get. I love my SCENTBOX. I have not gone back. I was going to go back and rejoin ice cream, but I just decided with all the chaos going on, I don't need any more of that going on right now. I just can't handle it. I have, I think, 2 bins full of stuff that's basically my giveaway stuff, and I can't deal with it right now with like it's stored safely somewhere, and for me to try to be getting in and out of it, it's so not feasible right now. So I need to figure all that out, and it's just not a good situation right now for, I need to start doing that again, and I just don't know how I'm going to work it out. It's just, it's stored, it's safe, it's contained, it's fine, but it doesn't help that it's sitting there. I need to do some more giveaways and stuff, but I'm not really making a ton of content. So I apologize, you guys. I really do. I know a lot of people have unsubscribed, and I'm really sorry. I don't know why you feel the need to do that. But to each his own. But yeah, I appreciate you guys who are sticking around. You'll find me a lot of times over on Barn Besties. When Megan's California videos are popping up, I won't be in those because she was in California and I was here, but that's okay. We've got a lot of other content going on. So this is all I got this week, you guys. Things are going well. These are a set of readers. They come off Amazon. It's a box of 6. They've got a whole bunch of different like color stories you can order. Like this came with 6 different colors and all that in it. You can pick your strength and all that, and it's like 6 pairs for $11 or $12. Not bad, and they're cute. Like these are kind of like tortoise or whatever, and then green. I don't know where the other ones went. You get black, and I've got ones that are like blue and pure green, and I don't know. They're kind of fun to be able to change them up. So I just do this so I can read. So yeah, that's all I got. Happy Mask Monday, you guys. I hope you're doing well. For those of you who are like me and who are allergy sufferers, I'm feeling you. It's bad right now. I probably need to go take a Zyrtec so I can clear my nose out and the itchy eyes will slow down. But we'll get there. We'll get there. It's going to be fine. But have a great week, you guys. I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye, all.